Tuesday, March 3rd, 2026. Hello, I am John Michael Chambers, and this is your War Report. I ask you to listen with love, as where we go one, we go all. The following report has been provided in part by Guardian, Daniel R. Inside the emergency alert system, the Blackout protocol. We've been taught for decades that the emergency alert system is a safe test for earthquakes, hurricanes, and weather alerts. In actuality, it is a worldwide override, a chain of command over presidents, legislatures, or businesses. All civilian communication systems go silent when it is activated. TV screens turn black. Signals are lost on phones. Social media stalls. Then there's just one voice. This is only a test statements that you disregarded were practice runs for the actual message for the cabal, the shadow government. You were informed that it was a U.S. system. False. Planetary, that is. Overhead, military satellites connected to a grid called Sky Shield orbit in silence. The keys are in the Pentagon, NORAD, and covert NATO command centers in Belgium, Germany, and Greenland. The white hats are behind them, generals who took an oath to the people rather than to the politicians. Why now? Since the scene is prepared. The banks are failing. The media is in utter disarray. There are no more strings for the puppet regimes to pull. The veil falls as soon as the EBS, Emergency Broadcast System, or EES, one and the same emergency alert system, is turned on. Confessions, arrest video, and classified documents. Nobody evades the broadcast. There will be silence at first. The phones are dead. Dark on the internet. For what seems like hours, the airways are silent. They conducted beta tests for years. Hawaii's 2018 fictitious missile warning. London and New York have cellular blackouts. Even the sudden emergency tests that buzzed your phone, you recall, were calibrations, trial runs, because when the real ones come, it will be global. Who's going to fall? Media moguls who deceived you. Your future was stolen by bankers, politicians who gradually sold their countries, celebrities who exchanged their notoriety for blood deals. The quantum financial system, the order of light, emerges from the ashes, the restoration of sovereignty backed by gold, the reinstatement of the law, not slavery at sea. When the blackout occurs, don't be afraid of the silence. The EAS, Emergency Alert System, is the voice of liberation, the hammer that breaks the illusion when it speaks. The end is not the blackout. Protocol. This is just the start. Remain composed, remain vigilant. Keep this in mind when the screens go dark. The darkness indicates that the light is ready to shine. Join me and Derek Johnson live for the Patriot Q&A Power Hour, March 26th at 8 p.m. Eastern. We'll be taking your questions privately on a screen. Derek Johnson and myself as your host. Get your questions answered. Learn about membership options by visiting jmcbroadcasting.com. And the Global Financial Reset, it's happening right now. Don't be on the wrong side of history. Free educational modules are available for you right now at wealthcoachuniversity.com. Buy gold, buy silver, buy now by calling my resource, Bill Armour, at 310-407-0239. He will take very good care of you. The dawning of the golden age is upon us. July is rapidly approaching. Follow my military, intelligence, lean and mean economic reporting here at jmcbroadcasting.com.
Retirees require income that keeps pace with inflation. income that is guaranteed and cannot be outlived. In Module 4 of the Wealth Coach University, you will learn how to secure not a maybe fluctuating income stream, but rather the income stream you need and want by design. Knowledge is key. Applied knowledge is wisdom. Take the first step and avail yourself the Module 4. Got questions? Schedule your Wealth Coach consult with John Michael Chambers. Maintaining the lifestyle you desire requires due diligence and action on your behalf.
Hello, this is John Michael Chambers. Many people lost faith, trust, and confidence in Wall Street, the banks, and financial advisors. Learn how you can secure a guaranteed income that you can never outlive. Better a little caution than a great regret. Check out Module 4 at wealthcoachuniversity.com, and I do look forward to speaking with you. It's time.